Good morning, dear students. Hope you all are good. Today we will be continuing with the same chapter number 5, fractions. Today we will be doing addition and subtraction of the fractions. Before we start, children, I would like to make it very clear that I'll be showing addition and subtraction of the fraction in a general way, and then I'll be doing the exercise where I will be solving the sum. That means if you see what I'll be explaining in a general way, it will be easy for you to do the exercise. So please listen and see what in a general way I am explaining. Okay, so we start first with like fractions. Like fractions. Both addition and subtraction of like fractions I'll be showing together. Now what are like fractions, children? If you remember, like fractions are those fractions in which the denominators are same. Okay, so first I'll be showing the addition and subtraction of like fractions. So I'll take an example. Suppose I take example 5 upon 11 plus 3 upon 11. This is addition. Okay. Now like fraction means where the denominators are same. Here denominator is 11 in both the fractions. Now in such cases what you do is very simple. Since the denominator is same, we will take a denominator will remain the same, and we will write the numerator sign of plus, and we will add it 5 and 3 8 upon 11. Denominator in the answer will remain the same in the like fractions, addition of like fractions. Now after this, then you will see whether this fraction is in reduced form or you have to reduce it. If it is not in the lowest form or if it is not in the reduced form, you have to reduce it. See, 11 is an even number. That means this is in reduced form or the lowest term. Similar method is used in subtraction also. I'll take general way. Subtraction. Suppose I take the same sum. 5 upon 11 minus 3 upon 11. Denominators are same. That means they are like fractions. When like fractions are there, what you do, you draw a common line. Write the denominator as it is. Write the numerators and subtract. 5 minus 3 is 2 and upon 11. Now see whether it is in reduced form or the lowest term. Yes, because 11 is an even number. I told you in the beginning, if any of this number, either numerator or denominator, if any one of them is an even number, that means that fraction is in reduced term. Could you get it? Then I'll take another example. Suppose I take 5 plus 3 plus 5 upon 11, 3 upon 11 and 2 upon 11. That means 3 fractions I have taken. In this also the denominators are same. That means all the 3 are like fractions. Same way, we will write the denominator as it is because it is same. 5 plus 3 plus 2, it is 10 upon 11. It is already in the reduced term, so we don't have to do anything, and this will be your answer. I hope it is clear to everyone. Children, I will be explaining these sums, then we will move on to the exercise. So this is how. Now we move on to the unlike fractions. Unlike fractions, both addition and subtraction of the unlike fractions. Okay, I'll write unlike. Okay, I'll take the example from the book only. I take 2 upon 5. First I'll show the addition plus 3 upon 7. Okay, this is the sum I have taken. 2 upon 5 added to 3 upon 7. If see, here the denominator is 5, here the denominator is 6. Denominators are different, that means it is an unlike fraction. Children, in such cases, you have to take out the LCM. You have to take out the LCM. Now, if I take out the LCM, I told you, you will take out the LCM in the rough. 5 ones are 5 and 7. So, your LCM is 7 5s are 35. Now, when you have taken the LCM, you will make the equivalent fractions with the denominator 35. Children, it's very easy for addition and subtraction when the denominators are same. And that is why we will make the same denominators by taking out the LCM, by making the equivalent fraction with the same denominator. Okay, so here your LCM is 35. So what you will do, you will write the LCM plus 3 this will be upon 35. Now to make the equivalent fraction, you will find where this 35 comes in table of 5. 5 7s are 35, and you know when we have to make the equivalent fraction, we multiply the numerator and the denominator with the same number. So here also we will multiply by 7. 7 2s are 14. 7 5s are 35. So we will multiply this with the same. 5 3s are 50. Now you add it. Now the denominators are same. So it's very easy for you to add. So it will be 29 upon 35. Is it in the reduced term? Yes. You don't have to cut down. You don't have to make it to the lowest term. It is already in the lowest term. Clear? Okay. So now I'll show for the subtraction also. And for this I'll take 1 upon 3 minus 1 upon 12. Denominators are different. That means they are unlike fractions. When they are unlike fractions, to make the denominator same, we will take out the LCM. So 3 and 12. 3 1s are 3, 3 4s are 12. 2 2s are 4, 4 3s are 12. So your LCM here is 12. Again, sign of subtraction. The new LCM will write over here. Now we make the equivalent fractions. 3 4s are 12. So we will multiply this by 4. 4 1s are 4. 12 1s are 12. So we will multiply. So it will be 4 plus. Now we have to subtract children here. 4 minus 1 is 3. 3 upon 12. But this is not the reduced term. You can easily cut this 12 by 3. So it will be 3 1s are 3 and 3 4s are 12. This is your answer. Clear? So same way you will be doing all these sums. Now I'll show for suppose there is one more. If I add 2 upon 5 plus 3 upon 7 plus 11 upon 12. Method will remain the same. Here you will take out the LCM of 5, 7, 12. It will be 12 only. So you will write like this and you will take out the equivalent fraction. Same method as we have done over here. Okay. Now we move on to the mixed fraction. Addition and subtraction of mixed fraction. In that also addition and subtraction of mixed fraction. Method will remain the same children in all these sums. Only thing is that you have to pay a little attention. Like suppose I have taken 3 whole number 1 upon 10 plus 6 whole number 1 upon 5. This is mixed fraction. Whenever there is a mixed fraction, whether it is addition, whether it is subtraction, whether it is multiplication and so on, you have to convert this mixed fraction into improper fraction. 10, 9, for making it, you will multiply denominator with the whole number and you will add this numerator. 10 3s are 30 plus 1, 31 upon 10 plus 6 5s are 30 plus 1, 31 upon 5. Denominators are different, that means they are unlike fraction. Now you have made them into unlike fraction. In that case, you have to take out the LCM. Same remaining method will remain. The rest of the method will be the same as you have done in like and unlike fraction. Especially unlike, because in like we were not taking LCM, but in unlike, since it is an unlike fraction, so we will take out the LCM, then we will make the equivalent fraction. Same way you have to do for the subtraction also. It is 4 whole number 3 upon 5 minus 1 whole number 1 upon 2. First step, you will convert them into improper fraction. 5 4s are 20 plus 3 is 23 upon 5. 2 1s are 2 and 1, 3 upon 2. This becomes the unlike fraction. Take out the LCM, form the equivalent fraction and then subtract. Okay. Then there is one more type, that is adding or subtraction of a fraction from a whole number. How you have to do it? Same method is there. Only thing is, I'll explain this thing. It is given in the book. 3 plus, it is 3 and 2 upon 9 they have written, and 2 upon 9. See children, it is a fraction 2 upon 9, but here nothing is written. What you will do, you will form. See, when such is given and we know that it has to be a fraction, so what we do, we put, when no denominator is there, we put 1. Because we have to add the fraction, so this whole number, by putting 1 on the denominator, we will solve it. So this is 3 upon 1 plus 2 upon 9. Now you take out the LCM. LCM will be 9. LCM will be 9 only. So 9, because it is 1 and it is 9, so LCM will be 9. 1 9s are 9 and 3 9s are 27. 9 1s are 9 and 2 1s are 2. 27 and 2 is 29 upon 9. Now this is improper fraction. So you have to divide it. So your answer will be 3 9s are 27. This will be your answer. This is your answer. You have to reduce it into the lowest term, you have divided. Clear? Same way in the subtraction. Now in the subtraction, please say, I'll take the example. It is given, let us subtract 3 upon 7 from 2. You have to subtract 3 upon 7 from 2. Same way, 2 upon 1 minus 3 upon 7. Take out the LCM. It will be 7. 1 7s are 7. 7 2s are 14. 7 1s are 7. Sorry, it is 7 1s are 7. 3 1s are 3. 14 minus 3 is 11 upon 7 is your answer. Now 11 upon 7 is an improper fraction. Multiply. 7 1s are 7 and 4 upon 7 is your answer. Have a look. Clear? So this is how I have explained each and every step, how you have to do it. Now we move on to the exercise. Children, you have to, if you have understood these steps, it will be very easy for you to do the exercise. So we move on to the exercise. Exercise 5.7. 5.7. Question number 1, we start. It is add. And see children, if you look at these additions, what you find that all the denominators are same, that all the four sum they are like fractions. So I'll quickly explain. I think this is the most simplest one. Add. I'll be doing one sum for you. 18 upon 23 plus 19 upon 23. Now you know it's 23 in both the fractions, that means it is a like fraction. So we don't have to take out the LCM. We'll simply draw the line. Denominator will remain the same. 18 plus 19, it is 37 upon 23. Okay, 37 upon 23, is it a reduced term? No, that means you have to reduce it to the lowest term. Okay, now if you, how you will reduce? Because it is an improper fraction, it usually divide in rough. It will be one whole number 14 upon 23. One whole number, this is your quotient, this is remainder, and this is your divisor. This is your answer. Same way I'll do it the second one. I'll be doing third one. 2 whole number 1 upon 5 plus 3 whole number 1 upon 5. Children, I told you when the sums are there in mixed fraction, you have to first convert them into improper. 5 2s are 10 and 1, 11 upon 5. 5 3s are 15 and 1, 16 upon 5. Okay, now see here, in this sum, 23, this we have done. Now denominators are same. That means they are like fraction. So 5, 11 plus 16. So it becomes 27 upon 5. Improper fraction because numerator is greater and you have to reduce it in the lowest term. So divide it like this. So it will be 5 5s are 25. 2 upon 5 will be your answer. Have a look. You can divide it in the rough. This is your rough column. 5 5s are 25. 2 is red. You know quotient becomes the whole number. The remainder becomes the numerator and the divisor becomes the denominator. Clear? Now we move on to question number 2. Remaining sums, that is sum number 2 and 4 you will be doing in your copy along with these. Now comes subtract. It is question number 2. Subtract. First sum 7 upon 8 minus 5 upon 8. Like fractions, denominators are same. Draw the line, write the denominator and subtract. Numerator will come down as such because we have not taken out the LCM. 2 upon 8. Both are even numbers, that means they have to be reduced and it will be 2 1s are 2 and 2 4s are 8. So your answer is 1 upon 4. Okay, then I will be doing fourth sum for you. It is 9 whole number 5 upon 7 minus 2 whole number 2 upon 7. Mixed fractions, so convert them into improper. 9 7s are 63. 63 and 5 is 68 upon 7 minus 7 2s are 14 and 2 16 upon 7. Denominators are same, like fraction, no LCM. So 68 minus 16, so it will be 52 upon 7. Now 52 upon 7, it is an improper fraction, so divide it in the rough. 52 upon 7. 7 7s are 49 because 7 8s are 56 will be bigger. 12 minus 3, so it will, your answer will be 7 whole number 3 upon 7 will be your answer. Hope this much is clear to everyone. You all are getting how you have to do if you have seen the first step clearly. Then remaining sums you will be doing in your practice copy. Question number 3, add. Again, why add? Because if you look at those sums, those are unlike fractions. Denominators are not same. Question number 3, add. It is 7 upon 12 plus 4 upon 9. Now see here children, denominators are not same, they are unlike fractions, so we have to take out the LCM. And if I take out the LCM for this, it will be 36. I just show how you two will take it out. 2 6 are 12, 2 3s are 6, 3 1s are 3, and 3 3s are 9, 9 2s are 18, 18 2s are 36. So your LCM is 36. Now once we have find out the LCM, we will find the equivalent fractions for these. How we will find out? We will write these LCM as the denominators and search for here. We'll make the equivalent fractions with denominator 36. 12 3s are 36, so we'll multiply this by 3. 7 3s are 21. 9 4s are 36, so it will also be multiplied by 4. 4 4s are 16. Add them. 6 and 1 7, 2 and 1 3. 37 upon 36. Now this is an improper fraction. The numerator is greater than denominator, and you know in answer you have to reduce them in the lowest term. So it will be, if you reduce, you divide in the rough. 1 whole number 1 upon 36 will be your answer. Try to understand, have a look over here. By the time I write the next one, I will be doing third one for you. It is 2 whole number 3 upon 4 plus 3 whole number. Children, I am explaining one of each type. Here it was not the mixed fraction, but here it is mixed fraction. So first of all, you will convert them into improper fraction. How you will do it? 4 2s are 8, 8 and 3 11 upon 4 plus 6 3s are 18, 18 and 5 is 23. This is your improper fraction. Now what you do? You will take out the LCM. If we take out the LCM here will be 12. I have solved it, so it will be 12. LCM is 12. So what we will write? If I write LCM is equals to 12 plus, we will find the equivalent fraction. 4 3s are 12, so 11 3s are 33. 6 2s are 12. 2 3s are 6, 2 2s are 4 is 46. Okay, now you add them. 6 and 3 9, 4 and 3 7 upon 12. Improper fraction, so we have to reduce it to the lowest term, divide it. Children, when you reduce it to the lowest term, you can cut with the same factor. You remember that I have taught you. But if the numbers are bigger, you can divide also. The answer will be same. Either you cut over here with a common factor or you divide in the rough, the answer will be same. So I will divide it. 12 6 are 72 and it will come 7 upon 12. So look over here. When you divide it in the rough, it will be 6 whole number. 7 upon 12 will be your answer. Hope this much is clear to everyone. We have done sum number 1 and 3 on the board. I have done. The remaining sum you will be doing in your copies. Then next, subtract. Similarly, I will be showing two sums over here. Question number 4. Subtract. I will be showing the first one. 16 upon 21 minus 3 upon 7. Now if you look at them, what they are unlike fractions. So what we will do, we will take out the LCM. So this is unlike fraction because denominators are not same, so we will take out the LCM. If I take out the LCM will be 21. You can make it in the rough. Then given the LCM is there, it will be, we'll write as the denominators. We will find the equivalent fractions. Same method in all the sums, children. All the sums. So 21, so 16, 7 3s are 21, so it will be 3 3s are 9. Now you subtract it. 9 minus 16 is 9 minus 16 is 7 upon 21. This is a proper fraction. Numerator is greater than denominator, but it is not in the reduced term. It is not in the reduced term, like 7 1s are 7 and 7 3s are 21. So what will be your answer? 1 upon 3 will be your answer. Earlier I have done some in that numerator was greater than denominator, so I have divided. Here numerator is smaller than the denominator, but we have to reduce it in the lowest term, so we have cut with the common factor, and that is 3. Sorry, 7. So common factor is 7, so 7 1s are 7 and 7 3s are 21, so this is your answer. Okay, then the next one, I'll take third one. 5 whole number 1 upon 3, 1 whole number 5 upon 6. Children, if you see, all the sums are similar. The method in all the sums are similar. Only you have to see whether it's a mixed fraction or not. Okay. Now again, 5 3s are 1 1, 16 upon 3. 6 1s are 6 and 1, 5, 11 upon 6. If we take out the LCM will be 6. If you take it out in the rough, it will be 6. So 3 2s are 6, 16 2s are 32, 6 1s are 6, sorry, not here, 6 1s are 6, so it will be 11. Now you subtract, 2 minus 1 is 1, 3 minus 1 is 2 upon 6. Now children, why I have done this sum? See here. Here numerator was smaller than the denominator, so we have found the common factor. Here numerator is greater than denominator, that is improper fraction, so you will divide here to reduce it into the lowest term. So it will be, if I divide 21 upon 6 3s are 18, and it will be 3. So your answer is 3 whole number 3 upon 6. Now still you see, this can be cut with a common factor. 3 1s are 3 and 3 2s are 6. So your answer, final answer will be 3 whole number 1 upon 2 is your final answer. आपको यहाँ पर भी देखना है whether it can be cut by a common factor or not. Just have a look. Here, then question number 5. Question number 5, it is with the whole numbers. Question number 5, I will be doing the first sum, 3 plus 7, 2 upon 9. I told you children, when such type of sums are there, it means it is a whole number. So we make a fraction of it. When no denominator, we put 1. 2 upon 9. 3 upon 1 plus 7 9s are 63 and 2, 65 upon 9. LCM will be 9 only. 1 9s are 9, 9 3s are 27. It will be 9 1s are, so 65 1s are 65. Now you added 7 and 5, 12. 6, 7, 8, 92 upon 9. Numerator is greater, so we will divide 92 upon 9. 9 ones are 9. 2 is remaining, we can't leave it. 9 zeros are 0. So your final answer is 10 whole number 2 upon 9 is your answer. Same way you will be doing the subtraction. I'll show the second one. 7 minus 3 whole number 2 upon 7. So it is 7 upon 1 minus 3. 7 upon 1. 7 3s are 21 and 2 23 upon 7. LCM will be 7 only. 1 7s are, so it will be 7 7s are 49. Minus 23, it will be same only. So now subtracted is equals to 9 minus 3 is 6, 4 minus 2 is this. Final answer will be, you will divide because numerator is greater than denominator. 7 3s are 21 and 5 upon 7 is your final answer. 3 whole number 5 upon 7 is your final answer. Clear? Just have a look over here and try to understand it.